Today, me and my sister are playing Murder Mystery 2 with my private server. This is my account. She's borrowing it. And this is my account now. Because I forgot, I can't log in. So, we're going to start now. Go start it, classic. This is not ano guys. I don't have anything. There's no outfit. And money is not unlimited. Okay, you need to start. Okay, let's go. Oh, got innocent. Nerd. Okay, it's bottom cherry. He's so down. Yeah, you cannot say that. May lapitan. Buli ko ako sila mag-umay ng rock. Bro, hurry up. Okay guys, we're going to speed this up. Why did sheriff? Bro, cannot. I forgot to pronounce. So, my Robux is now spent. Sure. I want this. No, ito na lang. Save for next week. Save for next week. Ano meaning nun, te? Ano, kung namatay ka, syempre, maganda yung outfit mo. Ano yung outfit? I got innocent. Guys, I know how to do this now. I know how to do this. Huh?